Yeah, come this way. Come this way. That's so funny. Where is it?
Ito.
It's in the front. Ooh. It's a Chanel. It's so white.
right now.
Oh God.
How do you feel?
It was so heavy.
Dang. It's a pretty nice white fish.
Ang pangit ng picture.